Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door basket assembly in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door basket assembly. The door basket assembly allows for an extra useful space in the compartment. If it breaks and no longer stays in place, replace it. To get to the part, we need to open the refrigerator door. The door basket we are replacing is at the bottom of the door. Push the side of the basket inward, lift it off, and remove it. This is the old door basket assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the new door basket on the door and push it down to lock. Close the door and plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.